to all. To discuss about the logic gates. Yes, before that logic gates, first to see the truth tables. Yes. Now see here, these are the truth tables in Boolean algebra. First one is the AND truth table. So AND truth table is if both are all inputs one, only output is one. It means in AND truth table, if inputs all are one, then only the result is one. If at least one is false, then the result is false. False is already, you know that false is indicated by 0, true is indicated by 1. Right? So the truth table of AND, see on the screen, all of you, X, Y are the inputs. X, Y means AND. So AND is already, you know that this is the Boolean product. So 0, X is 0, Y is 0 input. Both are 0. Then you will get output is also 0. Means X 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 means if X is 0, Y is 1, then our result is 0. Here, and third, see that X is 1, Y value is 0, the output is again 0. If X and Y both are 1, the output is 1. It means here, if at least one operand, so these X and Y are called are the operands or inputs. If at least one input is 0, the result is 0. If both inputs 0 also, the result is 0. Otherwise, you can say that another definition of AND is if both operands are, or if both inputs are 1, then the result is 1 in AND truth table. Next, come to this OR truth table. It is nothing but OR operator. It is also called as OR addition, Boolean sum. So AND is the Boolean product, OR is the Boolean sum. In OR, if at least one input is 1, if at least one input is 1, then the result is 1. In this means, you can define another way also. If both are 0, inputs are 0, then the result is 0. Otherwise, the result is 1. You can say the second definition. If at least one input is 1, the result is 1. So see here, X is input is 0, Y input is 0, Y value is 0, inputs X and Y both are inputs, X value is 0, then X plus 5 means logical OR truth table is 0. See here, both are here, inputs 0, then the result is 0. So remaining, see that all are 1 only. It means here at least one input is 1. The result is 1. See that first X is 0, Y is 1. So the result is 1. So next, see the third row, the X value 1, Y value 0, the result is 1. Both are 1, then there is no change, 1 only. Means in logical AND means in AND operator, if at least one is false, 0 is false or 0. If at least one operand value or input value is 0, then the result is 0. In logical AND truth table. In logical OR truth table, if at least one input is 1, the result is 1. That is the difference between logical AND or logical OR. Right. So see that next NOT. So NOT means it converts the 1 into 0, 0 into 1. That's it. So if x value is 1, the result not x is 0. If x value is 0, the not x is 1. It's converts true into false and false into true. Logical, like logical not. Here, if input value 1, the logical the not value is 0. If input value 0, the not x value is 1. It converts. See the table, x value 0, not x is 1. If x value 1, not x value is 0. It converts. That is logical not. So here we have one example. See this, to finding the value of f. If f is equal to x plus not y z, or y bar, not y is also y bar. You can call it as y bar. X plus y bar z. So if you want to find these one, first you have to take here totally how many inputs variables are there? 3. X, Y, Z. So you can define the 3 inputs X, Y, Z. And the first values, take all our zeros and add 1 with that, then you will get 0, 0, 1, and add 1 with this, then you will get 0, 1, 0, and add 1 with this, then you will get 0, 1, 1, like that. So totally how many inputs are there here? 3 there. 2 power 3 means 8 rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If inputs are 2, 2 power 2 means 4 rows are there. But here inputs are 3, no? So 2 power 3 that means 8 rows. So if x, y, so you have to find the value of f if f is equal to x plus y not z, or x plus y bar z. So 3, so you can take the 3 and take here is to find the values. X is there directly, y is there, y not is there. So you have to find here is the y not first. And y not z multiply, add also is not there. So you can find in that f what it is there, x plus. So x is there directly. Y not z. First to find the y not, then y not z. Y not z means and up. See this here, x is directly, no need to change that. Y not. So y values are 0, not y is 1. Y value is 0, not y is 1. Like that. Already you know that not is converts the 0 into 1, 1 into 0. Right? So like that, this is all the y values. Not y values are opposite of y. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. This now y not is there. And y not z is not there. No? That also you have to find here. Y not z. Y not z. Both these two you have to multiply. So already you know that multiplication is nothing but product. Means not operator. Apply the not operator. Apply that, what is that? And operator, not operator. And operator. Apply and, product means and. Right? So sum means R. So here find the y not z. Y not z product. 1 into 0. Then you will get 0 here. 1 into 0. Then 1. 0 into 1. 0. Like that. 0 into 1. 0. Right? So why not z? So 0 into 1. 0. 1 into 1. 1. 0 into 0. 0. 0 into 1. 0. Like this. Now here we have the 2 additional columns. So that are y bar, z, y bar, z. 2 columns. Now you have to find sum of x, y bar, z column. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Like that. 0 plus 0, 0. Then you will get like this the function. See that last one also. X, y bar, z. So 1 plus 0. Then 1. Like that. So now this is the way to finding the value of f. Right. Similarly, you can find any expression value by using like this. Say here, this is called as the De Morgan's law. X, Y naught, not XY is equal to X naught, not X plus not Y. And X plus Y not equal to X naught and Y naught. That's it. This is one De Morgan's laws. Like that, you can find any expression value by using this, right? These are all of the examples, right? So now you can come to this one, logic gates, right? So what are the logic gates? Logic gates means it is similar to the truth tables. It is related with truth tables, but it is diagrammatical. Diagrammatically, we have the different symbols for different gates. So the simplest three gates are AND, OR, NOT. Already we have discussed mathematically, right? So what is AND, what is OR, and what is NOT? Same like that, you can see here by using the diagram. So mainly three logic gates are there, that are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, right? See this. This first one is the symbol of what is the AND gate. This is the AND gate. So in this AND gate, see this, what it is there in this AND gate. XY is there. XY, this is the symbol of logic AND gates, right? So logic and logic gates, or we can call it as logic gates. The symbol, AND symbol, XY. If X and Y, here X and Y are the inputs. The symbol, if you are passing two inputs are zeros, then you will get output is also zero. If any input value is 1, then at least if any input value is 0, then 0. If both are 1 only, then you will get 1. See the same thing here. X value, Y value, 0, 0. You can pass into this gate. Then XY is 0. Same, it is similar to the table, but the symbol of this logic gate AND gate is, this is the symbol, right? So these are the inputs, the result is X. The second diagram is the OR gate. See that OR gate. So the symbol of logic OR gate is, this is the symbol. I'm moving the cursor. So this is logic OR. XY plus OR means addition, sum. AND means product. See this, right? X plus Y, 0, 0. Then X value 0, Y value 0. The result of logical OR is 0 only. X value 1, Y value 1, the result is 1. X value 1, Y value 0, the result is 1. X value 0, Y value 1, the result is 1, like this. So this is called as logic OR, or logical OR gate. So third one is the NOT gate. So logical NOT gate means it converts the 0 into 1, 1 into 0. If input is 1, result is NOT is 0. If input is 0, the result is 1. Means it converts 0 into 1 and 1 into 0. So this is the symbol of logical NOT gate. So these three are the basic logical gates, right? See that XOR gate. Yes. Now see the OR and XOR difference of X and OR and XOR. XOR means exclusive OR. XOR full form is exclusive OR. So it is similar to OR with a little bit of difference. But what the symbol of XOR is, this is the symbol. Symbol is also same. Additionally, we have added one like this. Early in this added one. So just compare the XOR with OR. See this, right? In XOR, first see that OR gate. If X, Y both are 0, then OR is the result is 0. Here also same. X value 0, Y value is 1, then the result is what is that and 1. Here also same. If X value 1, Y value 0, result is what is that and 1. Here also same. But the only difference is 4th row. This is only the difference. So here, if both 1, the result is 1. Here, if both 1, the result is 0. So first 3 are the same, but third one is the difference. So by this, the XOR means if at least one input is only 1, if at least one input value is only 1, the XOR is 1. Otherwise, the XOR value is 0. In R, if both are also inputs are 1, the result are also 1. If at least 1 also, the result is also 1. Right? So, are you understanding here? Our XOR difference ఏంటి అంటే R లో ఒక్కటి 1 ఉన్నా కూడా 1 వస్తుంది. బట్ XOR లో ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక్కటే 1 ఉండాలి. అంటేనే 1 వస్తుంది. That is the difference, R and XOR. So, in R, if at least 1 is 1, then the result is 1. In XOR, it must and should any 1 is 1 only, the result is 1. That is different. XOR ఖచ్చితంగా ఒకటే ఉండాలి. Input 1 only ఉండాలి. More than 1 inputs ఉన్నాయంటే then you will get all our inputs 1 ఉన్నాయంటే then you will get what is that? 0. It is similar to what is that? R. So that is the difference between XOR and R. So R is first 3 rows are same in R and XOR. Last row only the difference. Right? So that is the difference between XOR and R. Right? Okay. See that these are universal gates. Right? So mainly these 3 are very, very important. Basic gates. And another one is XOR gate. 4 gates. So 3 gates are, first gate is logic AND, second one is logic gate of OR, third one is not logic gate. Fourth gate is XOR logic gate. XOR means exclusive, right? Universal gates. These are universal gates. Two other common gates are AND NOR, which produces complementary output and OR. It's very simple. It is AND means the opposite of AND is called as NAND. The opposite of OR is called as NOR. Simply. So whatever the value you will get an AND, that opposite value is NAND. That's it. అంటే AND కు opposite is NAND. AND లో if at least 1 is 0, the result is 0. It is 1. సో AND లో ఏముంటుందండి, 2 zeros ఉన్నా 0 వస్తుంది కదా. NAND లో ఏమవుతుందంటే ఆ 0 కు ఆపోజిట్. Don't see the inputs. The opposite of AND is NOT. AND కు ఆపోజిట్ NOT. ఫస్ట్ AND వాల్యూ దానికి ఆపోజిట్ వచ్చేది NOT వాల్యూ. The symbol of NAND gate is like this. So it is similar to AND. NOT is the NAND is nothing but N is nothing but not AND. So not and already you know that no, the opposite of input కదా, దాన్ని నాట్ అంటాం కదా. ఇప్పుడు AND ముందు పెడితే నాట్ అంటే నాట్ AND అని దాన్ని నాట్ AND. అది నాట్ అంటే జనరల్గా ఏముంటుంది, ఇట్ కన్వర్ట్స్ ద 1 into 0, 0 into 1, or it changes the 0 into 1, 1 into 0 కదా. AND కు వచ్చిన వాల్యూకు దానికి n పెట్టినాము అంటే నాట్ AND. So again it changes the value. That's it. So this is the symbol of AND. సేమ్ AND లాగానే ఉంటుంది, దానికి అడిషనల్ గా అవుట్పుట్ దగ్గర చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, సింబల్ చేంజ్. దాని అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్ ఎక్స్ బార్ బై సింపుల్. సో అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది అంటే ఎక్స్ బార్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఎక్స్. ఎక్స్వై ఇస్ ద AND కదండి, నాట్ ఎక్స్వై అంటే నాట్. సేమ్ సిమిలర్ టు లైక్ ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్. నార్, నార్కు ఆర్కు తేడా ఏంటి? ఆర్కు ఆపోజిట్ నార్. నార్ అంటే ఏంటి? నాట్ ఆర్ అని. ఎన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ హియర్ ఈస్ నాట్, రైట్? సో ఆర్కు ఆపోజిట్ నార్. నార్ అంటే నాట్ ఆర్ అని. ఆర్ మీన్స్ నాట్, రైట్? సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద సింబల్. ఇది అండ్ రైట్. సో ఇది నార్ గేట్. సీ ద సింబల్. ఇక్కడ అండ్ ఉంది కదా, దీనికి ఇక్కడ పాయింటర్ పెట్టేస్తే నాట్ అవుతుంది, నాట్ అవుతుంది. దీనికి ఇక్కడ పాయింటర్ పెట్టేస్తే సి. Suppose you want to pass the opposite values of these inputs. 0 ఉంది, y value 1 ఉంది. Now you have to send it the opposite values and then you can write like this. ఇక్కడ x వాల్యూ 0 ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ పాస్ అయ్యే వాల్యూ ఏమైంది? 1 పాస్ అయ్యింది. ఇక్కడ y వాల్యూ 1 ఉంది అనుకోండి, పాస్ అయ్యే వాల్యూ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? రివర్స్ inputs. And if you want to change the input values, then you can change like this. If you want to change the output value, then you can write like this. And it means the result is changed. It means the input values are changed. That is the difference. Okay, so that is the difference between this, right? So see, not and should know xy is there now. And then suppose you want to pass the reverse of the values of x and y, then you can write like this. Right? So x plus y, x bar not x plus y. So this is the symbol of not x plus y. You can write like this and this, both will be the same outputs. చూడండి, ఇక్కడ దీనికని అవుట్పుట్, దీని వాల్యూ అవుట్పుట్ రెండు సేమ్ సైడ్. ఇక్కడ XY ఉందండి, XYలు చూడండి, నాన్లో 1 ఉందా, ఆర్లో ఏముందండి? XYలు 0 0 ఉంది కదా, వాల్యూ ఏమొచ్చిందండి? 1 వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ కూడా వాల్యూ అంటే 0 0 పంపించండి అంటే 1 1 అవుతుంది. యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందండి? 1 వస్తుంది. సో ద సింబల్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ, ద వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ సేమ్. Symbol of these two values are same, right? So this is NAND gate, this is NOR gate, right? ఇది రాసిన రెండు సేమ్ వస్తాయండి అవుట్పుట్స్. both will get the same outputs. Either you can write use this gate or this gate. So ఇక్కడ just we are changing the input values. Here after the result the value is changed. So before sending the values are changed. The input reverse lo povali ante write the symbol here, not symbol ikkada రాయాలి. రిజల్ట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అవుట్పుట్ చేంజ్ కావాలి అంటే, నాట్ కావాలి అంటే, then write the symbol like this. అంటే these two values are same, these two values are same, right? So this is called as NAND or NOR gates. రెండు ఉన్నాయి కదండి. So two are the NAND gate or NOR gate. See the symbol. చూడండి, x ఉందండి, not x, then you will get like this, right? Symbol x and y directly will get like this. Not xy, you can write like this. ఇక్కడ నాట్ పెట్టాము, మళ్ళీ అగైన్ దీని వాల్యూస్ రివర్స్ పంపిస్తుంది, then you will get xy again. ఇక్కడ ఏదో వచ్చిందంటే xy వస్తుంది నార్మల్, అగైన్ you will get x or y. See the symbol, both are the same, right? ఇప్పుడు x వాల్యూ పంపిస్తున్నాం డైరెక్ట్లీ, then you will get opposite x bar వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నావు, y వాల్యూ పంపిస్తున్నావు, y బార్ వస్తుంది. ఈ రెండింటిని ఏం చేయాలి, నువ్వు ఎక్స్ వై అండ్ గేట్ అప్లై చేస్తున్నావు అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఆపోజిట్ అయిపోయి దీంట్లోకి వెళ్ళి then you will get back. రైట్. సో ఎక్స్ బార్ వాల్యూ వై బార్ వాల్యూ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేసి అగైన్ వచ్చిన వాల్యూను మళ్ళీ చేంజ్ చేయాలి, అగైన్ విల్ గెట్ ద సేమ్. రైట్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ వన్ వాట్ ఆర్ దట్ gates. Okay, so logic gates, the symbol of this function, see this logical gates circuits. Here what it is there, and directly pass the x and change the not y z. First use this diagram, first దీని diagram చేయాలి, దీంట్లోకి f value find out చేయాలి. Now you want to draw this diagram, logic gates of this expression function అనుకోండి. Here what it is there, first x value directly you can see this. Plus is there, plus is nothing but what, the r, so you can take r. In this directly pass the x value directly and don't pass the y value directly. So change the y value into not y. Z value you can pass directly, there is no problem, but don't directly z value pass to this. First to find this two, then the result is sent to into this, then you will get the final value of f now. So that we are here is drawn like that. చూడండి, అందుకే మనకి ఏం చేసిందంటే y bar z ను ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి y bar z ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ కు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే రెండు ఇన్పుట్స్ పంపాలి, x ను పంపాలి, y bar z ను. y bar z is directly, it is not there, so you can find the y bar z by using this diagram. y ఉందండి, నాట్ y పెట్టేసిన, y bar వచ్చేసి z డైరెక్ట్లీ ఉంది, రెండింటిని పంపించేసి ఇక్కడ y bar z అంటే ఏంది, ఇక్కడ అండ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ కదా, సో అండ్ వచ్చేసింది. y వాల్యూ నాట్ y వాల్యూ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, z డైరెక్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ y నాట్ z. సో x y నాట్ z ప్లస్ ఇస్ దట్, సో యూ కెన్ యూజ్ దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్. అర్థమవుతుందా, ఇక్కడ x ప్లస్ y నాట్ z ఉంది, x వాల్యూ ప్లస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఆర్ డ్రా చేయాలి. మెయిన్ గా ఫస్ట్ సీ దట్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆపరేటర్ ఇస్ దట్. సో ఇది వచ్చిందండి, ఇది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి y bar z డైరెక్ట్ గా లేదు, ఈ రెండు ప్రోడక్ట్ చేసి దెన్ సెండ్ దట్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ y bar z యాజ్ ద ఇన్పుట్ ఇంటూ దిస్ ఆర్. ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన y bar z వాల్యూను ఇన్పుట్ గా పంపించేస్తాం, దెన్ యూ గెట్ లైక్. సో డ్రా ద డయాగ్రామ్స్ లైక్ దిస్. రైట్. ఫస్ట్ y bar value, this is y bar logic gate, and directly z is there directly, so then we'll get like this directly. So then find this, these two, send it in f, then we'll get like this. Right. So f x comma y comma z. So these are called what are that? Logic gates. Okay. Just wait. Okay. This is one. Multiple input gates. The same ఉంటాయండి. ఇప్పుడు you want to find this x bar y not z. Directly x పంపించాలి, z పంపించాలి. Y not value, then you will get answer. Right. So similarly, ఇక్కడ చూడండి xy not q, right? So x plus y, so you can send any number of inputs, right? So that we can use logic gates. Right. These are the tables, truth tables, and now Now draw this one, logic gates, symbols. Yes, give the pattern. Add in the notes.